we know the force between the two objects is F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So we will write, see, G is equal to this this becomes r square becomes numerator, this becomes denominator. So we will write G is equal to F r square upon m1 m2. So I have shown here the unit of F force is Newton, R is distance meter, so it becomes meter square, it is kilogram into kilogram, that is kilogram square, so it becomes Newton meter square per kg square. So this, I have written Newton meter square per kg square. We can also write it by Newton meter square slash kg square, or in books you must see, you will be seeing that it is written Newton meter square kg minus 2, that is per kg square. It is one and the same thing. Now there is a numerical. Suppose two balls of 1 kg each are placed with their centers 1 meter apart. Find the force of gravitation between them. Now let us suppose, let this mass be 1 kg m1 and this be again 1 kg, and these are separated by 1 meter. Now we will see what will be the force of gravitation between them. We know F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So m2 is equal to 1 kg, r is equal to 1 meter. So G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg. This you have to remember, you have to learn it. Remember this value as well as this unit. So we'll write down 6.67, this value of G into m1 m2, 1 into 1 divided by 1 square, that it becomes 1, so it comes out to be 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton. So it is a very small force which cannot be easily detected. So if two stones are lying, they are not, we can't see them going closer to each other because the force between them, force of attraction between them is very small. But if this force is very large, that is between the earth and the stone, then it can be easily detected. We can see that if a stone is dropped from a building, it speeds up towards the ground. Now there are few assignment problems. Solve the example number 10.1 from NCERT book, and next is calculate the force of gravitation due to the earth on a ball of 1 kg mass lying on the ground. Now this is the same, that is between the earth, the mass of earth is very large, that is 6.4 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometer. So we don't have to take the distance between the stone and the surface of the earth. Here it should be noted that we should take the distance from the center of the earth. That means, so radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometer. So I have given you hint, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So this you have to convert it into meter, then only you can easily solve. You can see that force will be very large. Now next is show that if we double the distance between two bodies, the gravitational force becomes 1/4. So you must try this. Thank you.